Hello! Okay, so we have a bunch of Chanel to unbox. We're gonna do it in parts, obviously. So we'll start with this one, which is a gift. It's gonna be a gift from my mommy. So, I think I posted another video of there's two limited edition Chanel like gift set things, makeup set things that my SA brought me over to and looked at, and there were two different options. There was one with like a green lunch bag and then one with a orange box bag. I got the orange one and it comes like this, and I guess they're like super limited and they only are available at like a few boutiques. They're not going to be available in the department stores. But it comes like this. How cute. Little Chanel orange box. And then it also came with this, which I think is the mirror. I'm going to slightly open it, but we're going to be hush. Yeah, so it's like a little Chanel, it says Chanel Beauty and then Chanel on this side. And it is a little mirror. Hey. You know, to do your makeup, right? I think my mom's really gonna like this. She doesn't treat herself enough, so I kind of treat her more. Okay, so that's that. And then the main event is this, just a little Chanel box. So it's a little set, okay? Oh, it's upside down, okay. So there is Chanel makeup, that's the box. Then this is an eyeliner, a multi-usage glow stick, a red lipstick, Rouge Cocoa Flash, and then a multi-use long wear eyeshadow, okay? I don't know any of these things. I don't know how they work, but I'm sure she's gonna love it. It was $200, which I don't know if that's a lot or a little for this kind of stuff, but I thought it was nice. And a little thank you for my mom and a little, you know, I'll probably give it to her later. Maybe it was a birthday present, part of a birthday present, but yay. Okay, that's all. Go get it. Run, don't walk. Go get it.